Welcome to the VG Tutorials. In this video on automation in VG Studio Max, I will show you how to assign shortcuts to macros. Using shortcuts for macros is really intuitive and does not need a lot of explaining. Let's say I have my object in the scene, like for example, this pump bracket here, on which I want to perform an analysis, in my case, a nominal actual comparison. I have recorded a macro that includes the entire workflow, and I would like to launch this macro with a shortcut. To do so, I'll go to the Quick Play tab in the Automation tool. Here I can equip up to 5 macros with a shortcut. By default, the shortcuts are Ctrl+1 to 5. If you want, you can go to the Welcome page and customize the shortcut. Search for Quick Play. Double-click the existing shortcut and press the shortcut you would like to have for this operation. I'm fine with Ctrl+1 to 5, so I will leave it as it is. Okay, back to where we were. I'll select the volume. On the Quick Play tab, I'll select the macro. And when I now press Ctrl+1, the macro will run on the volume. Nice, isn't it? But that's not all. If I have a macro that will generate an output file, the output file will automatically get a suffix to avoid any kind of conflict or overwriting. Let's select a macro that includes the saving of the project. When I hover over this field here, I'll see the output file that will be generated with this macro. And I can see that, by default, a timestamp will be added to the name of the output files. If I prefer another kind of suffix, I'll go to Configure and select indices or the object name, or both, as suffix. I'll go for the object name. I'll select the volume. And then I press Ctrl+2 to run the macro. The analysis will be performed on my volume. And, in the output folder, the output file has been saved with the specified suffix. And that's it. If you want to learn more about automation in VG Studio Max, make sure to check out our other tutorials on that topic. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll find a list of all our tutorials on our documentation landing page via Help, Show Tutorials. Plus, make sure to register on Nexus and make it your go-to place for sharpening your expertise. Get access to this video and other information material to get the best out of our software. And visit the VG community to exchange ideas, ask questions, and discuss topics with other users and our Hexagon experts. And stay up to date on the latest news and developments. Register now. A world of insight awaits. Thanks for watching, and see you soon on Nexus.